Good morning, people of the internet. We are out back today after that little freeze that we had, and we're gonna see how well this little mini greenhouse here did through that freeze. Now, I haven't shown you guys this, but I have turnips. This will be the second year for these turnips, so I'm letting those go to seed. So we'll have purple top turnips seed in the future. And then I also have leeks. I stuck a basil in here, and I stuck a little Brussels sprout in here. So we're gonna take a peek and see how well they did with those really cold temperatures, because we're gonna be getting more cold temperatures. And so let's take a peek. Okay, we're gonna start out on this side. This is the leek side. Now, these are 4 leeks that I've been able to keep alive. I believe the original seed came from Simply Jan's homestead, and there you go. I've got 4 of those. I've got, it looks like 3 turnips, purple top turnips that are going in here. And then over here, let's see if I can stick my head up underneath of here. And underneath of this, you can see I've got a basil, and look, it is doing great in here. So I'm really excited about that. And I think, where's my tag for this one? There it is. There's my tag. Let's see. Pak choy. So I've got some pak choy in there. I don't know. It looks it looks like that leaf isn't very happy, but the rest of it looks pretty good. All right, so we're gonna stick that little lid right back on there. We're gonna stick our label right back down in there, and then this is the basil. I'm sorry, not the basil. This is the Brussels sprout. You can see I've got my tag right there. Hopefully you guys can see that. But it's not so bad. It's a little smaller than the ones I have in the house. But that makes sense because it's cold out here. So there you go. There's a little update on underneath the little mini greenhouse. I think I like this. I think I might do more of these in the future. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.